What you witnessed today was the evolution of the foundation system for the manufactured home.
The new system allows installation of the foundation and of the house in the same day. It's much faster than traditional methods.
A foundation system can be installed and a home set with the utilities, for example, water or electricity, as well as the skirting, can all be done in one day.
For installation, it's about speed and economy of scale. It's a great system because there's no cure time like there is with concrete. You get a very robust foundation system quickly and one that performs very well.
The MHI can come and install a home and have it completely finished in one day.